Hi.
Hi.
I'm Archie the Awesome.
And I'm Cecile.
And today,
Nah.
it's our 19th episode, I think.
Yeah, it's our 19th episode.
Because last episode or so became an adult.
Yep. So now what?
I don't know.
Is the big one coming back?
No, the hot girls are coming.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
I got my pen here. It's to it's to use this to destroy them. I cancel the talk, so I put this on Archie and it'll mind control them, you know? I just need to drop it down here. So yeah, anyway, they should be coming anytime here now.
Hey, Archie?
Destroy Cecile.
Ah! Look at this!
Pew pew pew. Invisible lasers.
Ah! Larry! Help!
I don't know what to do.
What should I do to get rid of him?
Pew, pew,
Like
pew,
this.
pew, 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 pew.
Who did this? That sounds like Mr. Cuddles face to me.
You found me.
Mr. Cuddles face.
The only way you can stop me to stop this is if you break a Nintendo Switch.
No, that's not how you do it.
Yeah, it is.
How would it even work if you break a Nintendo Switch?
The thing will just magically fall off. Or else, destroy Cecile.
La 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 la. Singing! That's what it is for. Singing. Singing does it.
No, it doesn't. Oh yeah? What about this?
Archie, sing!
I'm a goofy goober! You're a goofy goober!
Archie, Archie.
Goobers rock!
Thank you.
What? No! Impossible!
I just took a guess from singing Cuddles face.
But what if I duct tape your mouth shut?
Beep. It'll sound like this, really.
Dang it, that will probably still work. But, okay, you know what really is effective and will do it even sooner?
What?
If you sing awfully, it'll work even better.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Nah.
It does, I'm being honest.
Archie, sing horribly. Kill Archie. Kill Archie. Kill Archie.
I got you. Yeah, just keep doing it.
Kill Archie. I'm going to choke you.
I'm a goofy goober!
That was a pretty good singing, Archie.
Thanks, so.
So we should put this on Mr. Cuddles' face, if you ask me.
No, we can't have another 4-minute. I don't think we should have another 4-minute episode.
Wait a minute, it doesn't work on you?
No, it doesn't.
And now what?
You know, okay, I'm just gonna leave you guys alone now, yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys alone. Well, that just happened.
What was that about?
I honestly have no clue.
I don't know.
No Game Boy references, please!
Make me!
Okay. No Game Boy references!
You know, I can't... Oh my god, you're such an idiot, Archie.
So, yeah, I don't think Cuddleface... Oh, Suits!
What?
Cuddleface is now gonna take it and mind control other people to get us to... He's gonna try and use the little mind control thing to, use it. You're probably gonna use it on other people. You're right! No, No, try and catch me.
Not if I can get you first.
No, we can't end the episode already. It's only been 5 minutes.
Beep.
I'm gonna escape. Bye-bye.
He forgot it.
We must follow him.
Let's follow him.
Come on, let's fight.
Okay.
Wait, what just happened down your? What just happened to your head?
Kill everyone.
Wait.
Kill everybody.
What happened to you?
Where's that antenna at? Is there an antenna
What?
somewhere?
Yeah, he has one on his head.
Oh my God! Archie, sing!
Yeah.
I'm a goofy goober, rock!
Cringe the warning.
You're a goofy goober, rock!
Archie, it's not working.
Goofy goobers,
It's
rock!
not working, Archie.
Nah.
Archie.
Kill everybody. I will kill you too.
No. Punch!
What the heck just happened here?
Is his weakness punching?
Yeah, probably. Or something wrestling related.
Okay. Goddle's face. But I'm going to capture him again. Oh no. We must follow
Let's
him.
go! Oh, what a snowy day. It sucks. We have snow everywhere because I can't go to work.
Yeah, take this.
Huh? Kill Archie and Cecil. Oh my God, Mario? Is it? How?
Don't worry, I got this. I'm a goofy goober, rock. A goofy goober, rock. All goofy goobers rock. Goofy. My singing must have worked.
What happened? Just look at the antenna right there. That will just explain.
See you later, fools. We gotta go get him.
What's going on?
Hey, I'm capturing you. Oh no.
Oh my God.
I'm goofy goober, rock.
It's not working, Archie. I already know that.
How do you know though?
Because when you slapped me with the wrestling bros, it got it off Bob. No,
And
it's not gonna work.
What about with Mario?
We were jumping because he's Jumpman technically. No, but with this one, it's probably with food.
Oh, so Pringles?
Hallelujah!
So Pringles?
Yeah, get the Pringles chips.
Get the Pringles. You enjoying those Pringles?
What
There,
happened
we
to
got
me?
you.
You got mind control by this from Cuddle Space.
Okay, try and get me now. We better go.
Oh no, there's a bomb though. What do we have? We gotta defuse it.
We just have him eat it.
Hey, Mr. Eagle.
What?
If you can eat this bomb, would it explode in you?
Yes, dummy.
Oh no! Oh, we gotta defuse it quickly.
I think I'm telling you, just feed it to him.
No, I don't want to kill the eagle. I don't want to go jail.
No, he's not. You're not gonna die. Trust me.
No.
Did I lie to you, Art Cersei?
I don't. It's not that I'm lying, but I gotta defuse this. That's right. Wrong. Correct. It's defused.
Oh, I wasn't planning for you to feed him. Now can we feed it to him?
Nah, we'll just throw it away. It's not gonna be exploding or anything.
Okay. Little eagle, eat this. Okay, now we must go. Snoo. Hey, what's going on? What? Kill Archie and Cersei. I'm a goofy goober, rock!
Archie, it's not gonna work. How many times do I have to say that?
Okay, sorry. Slap.
Not gonna work.
Jump.
Why don't we be lazy?
No, well, we should probably go get the Pringles.
Wait, whoa, hey, it's awesome. Uncle Derek, you okay?
What happened?
You got mind controlled.
Oh, thanks then, I guess. Although my son's still an idiot. I mean, my nephew, sorry. Nah! Get out of here, Archie.
Try and see what you're gonna get now.
We must follow him.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Get off me! I need to capture you.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
I got you now.
I'm a goofy goober! Rock!
It's not gonna work.
Oh yes, need to slap him. No, that's not. Jump. Jump on him. Feed him Pringus. Oh.
Pringus.
What about the laziness? You just go to sleep.
Pikachu! Pikachu. It's off him.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm gonna go get the cop next.
The cop?
You better go.
You're watching Overweight Animals on Nickelodeon.
Mr. Cuddlespace! What are you doing here?
I'm coming to capture you.
I'm gonna eat you up!
Yeah. Yes, I did it.
Kill Archie and Cersei!
I'm a goofy goober. Rock!
This may be awkward actually,
No, wait,
but
this is
we're
just
gonna have to
getting-
eat Mr. Cuddle's face.
No, okay, eat him. Ew, that was disgusting.
You didn't have to eat him. You would just have to do the big one again.
Why does everybody like the big one so much?
It tastes like crap though.
Can I eat him now?
No.
No, I have to eat him.
What's he taste like?
Cuddle's face.
What does
He tastes like crap for sure. Smells like no shower. Like you? Oh! So what are we supposed to do with this antenna?
I know,
I'll take it.
but we were gonna have fun around and mess around with people.
No, this is illegal.
Oh yeah? Then why don't you put it on my head if it's so illegal?
Just this one time, okay?
Wait, what?
I'm gonna put it on Cersei just this one time. What's the weakness for it?
I'm a goofy goober. Oh, I rock. I'm a goofy goober. Rock.
Okay, it's singing or whatever their most hated thing is, or like their theme for it.
No, you know what the most hated thing about Archie is?
What?
Cersei.
No. I'm getting it.
So how should we end this episode?
Go back to your studio, idiots. I'll
Okay.
go take this away.
Okay, so wait, what is that?
Look what I just took, Archie.
You got that?
Yep.
Well, give it back. Wait,
No. Bad Cuddle's face. Bad.
Put it on him.
Okay.
What? No.
Now we can control him.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go do something nice. I'm gonna go. And
Do the moonwalk, Cuddle's face.
No, why don't you go destroy Henry? Or just do that. Okay, well we took care of that.
Well, yeah. Bye.